Una welcome to One-on-One TV. Today tori wey I carry come, in fact I carry am come with pain because the kind thing wey some ladies they do now, it dey really pain me. And this one they talk about ladies wey be say they get house girl put for house, they will come begin they maltreat them. But this one I carry am say they don't arrest abi, they don't boss one lady, and this lady her name now Mrs. Zazie David. We hear say this girl say her 10-year-old maid will break plate. Because of this one, this madam come boil hot water, pour am on top of this girl body. Hey, evil people! I be evil madam. I don't know as I go to even call this woman. Una see this lady with fine face. Who go reason say this kind woman go fit do this kind thing? She come, in fact, what it vex me pass. My nurse say she pour hot water for this girl, but she come couple and join. Boil hot water, boil pepper, join together. Say make this girl drink. I beg. This girl parent offend you? Abi her grace grandparent come meet you inside your dream. Say this girl na winter be something. Because wetin go make you get moral? They do this kind thing for this kind small pikin, 10 years old girl. And I beg you wey they collect maid, wetin 10 years old girl won't do for you? Now food she won't cook for you, abi na cloth she won't wash for you. Because she too dey young to be housemaid for this kind house. But because of say wickedness, now make you decide say you won't collect this girl. Because you gotta say this girl na orphan, mama don't die, papa don't die. So nowhere again where she won't go, and the only way where she go fit make money and to go to school now to stay with this evil girl. Because I no go even call this one madam again, na evil person and she be. And we hear say no be today this woman don't dey beat this girl. In fact, if this woman carry this girl go outside and people see this pikin like this, come go meet her say, madam, why your pikin? The next in a fight, she go use shout, destroy your life. Say, what's it concern you? How this one take be your business? Say even for church, this madam go sit down for front of altar like saying that she go church pass. If pastor come see this girl say, my dear sister, what you do this pikin? She go begin to shout for pastor head. Say, na the girl do mistake, pour what I beg, now so the girl mumu reach. Where be say hot water go there, she go there, they pour and like say na bath, she dey bath. E be like say God won't come catch this woman. She can't go do the worst of the worst again. She can't go boil hot water. Mix am with so many things with pepper, make this girl drink. Now there she see say this girl don't behave like person one die out of fear. She can't carry this girl go chemist too. Only for chemist to talk say, this one don't pass my power. I no go fit treat this kind of thing. Make this pikin no go die for my hand. Now there he say, carry this girl go hospital. This woman say lie, she no go gree. Say it better say make this girl die for in house than make him carry this girl go hospital. Now there this chemist and say this woman na devil. Now there he say and say this woman na devil groom her, carry her come inside earth. Now there he raise alarm, go call police. So say make police come see what person they do to a housemaid. On I say as they don't boss these two people now. And this one now she go they claim fine girl. Person go they see her now look and say wife material, wife material. You know go no say this one she no even reach quarter yard. What be quarter yard? Half inch herself she no reach. But now go the reason say she fine, she fine no. On I no go no say now pure wickedness 9 days inside this lady mind. A whole 10 years girl. Me I feel say may they just do the same thing to her. Plus she and her husband may they just go start to the dwell inside prison yard. Because I dey very certain say this man go know wetin dey happen. Because this lady I gotta say na newlywed person, she just marry. And for you to do this kind of thing to your house girl, it means say your husband know about them. And I know say so many people say they inside their house they maltreat their ladies like this. They are made like this now because person never come outside come bust on her. But I hope say you where they do and one day they go catch you. And that time in fact we say go come outside ready. Carry your matter come read them out to people. But I pray say this pikin say go get justice because I don't know where they won't carry her go. Then our family member place they go carry her go because this woman she don't even deserve to collect this girl again because afterwards this pikin go still suffer another sufferness. So I hope say government behind a motherless baby some they go carry her. May they just find one safe place carry this girl go. My people now here I go end them for today. If you get anything talk about this one I just here now, making a write them inside the comment section. Making a stay tuned for the next video.